My name is Ann Koo. I'm super excited to be teaching at Port Townsend Ukulele Festival this year. And I'm going to be giving 2 half-hour workshops, both at 10 in the morning Pacific Daylight Time. The first one is the song that I just played, and I will show you how to authentically replicate the opening introductory riff. Song released by Cat Stevens in the UK in 1970 and in the US in 1971. Second one, which is the next day, Sunday, 13th of September, is also another hit, reached the charts in 1970, well actually released in 1969 with the film Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. So how do we authentically replicate? The original introduction was a ukulele. It's like this. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit those. And there's also a riff in the middle and an outro riff, which is played by trumpet and pluck and strum, authentic replication. So the original key and how we hear it as performed by the artists or the composers themselves when it was first released. I hope you'll join me at Port Townsend this year. Thank you.